Welcome to my brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success channel. In this video, I want to talk about one traffic source, a traffic source that could potentially change your life and permanently solve all your traffic problems. The question is, are you willing to take action? Are you going to take it seriously and create a never giving up attitude? A lot of people are jumping from one product to another product, watching one video after another video, and then after years, months or years, you ask them how much money you have made and they still say zero, and they believe that it's not my fault, it's someone else's fault. No, 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 no. If you're getting great success, you're responsible. If you're failing, you're responsible. You shouldn't blame someone else. Now, there's a lot of buzz out there. The gurus don't share the secrets. I'm willing to share the secret. I'm willing to share the real buyer traffic source where you can build a quality list of subscribers and potentially change your life. Are you willing to take action? Are you willing to continue to focus on one thing, and that is list building? Get it to at least 10,000 subscribers, then 20,000, then 30,000, then 50,000, and continue to build that list, because the money is in the list. The money is in the list. The money is when you send out and blast out an email. Most of the internet gurus are making all their money from their list. Are you willing to do that? If the answer is yes, then keep watching this video, because I'm going to share a traffic source that has buyers inside, that has a track record of people buying products, and you can go ahead, start buying traffic and start making real commissions and real sales online. Remember, all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Now, before I dive into this video and show you share the traffic source, I would like you to do me a couple of favors. First of all, smash the subscribe button. There's a subscribe button below this video. It could be, it says subscribe on it. Just click on that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. The benefit of doing this is you will be notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button. Share this video. Leave a comment for me. And share this video with your viewers, with your subscribers. Other people, they get a lot of value from this video, okay? And be a massive action taker with a never giving up attitude, because that's when you're going to start making a lot of money online. So let's dive into this video. Now, before I share more information about this video, about the traffic source, let me just talk about the real Clickbank commission machine, the machine that's changing lives, the machine that's helping people make over $10,000 per month in real affiliate commissions. That's this machine. I don't know if you've got this access to this product yet, but if you haven't, all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. When you click on the link in the description box, you're going to come to a page like this. All right, you could watch the video, you could scroll down, and you're going to get access to so many stuff. Look at all these testimonies. Let me show you some more testimonies. Look at these testimonies. People are changing their lives, my friend. Are you willing to make this year one of the best years for yourself? Do you want this year to be the best of the best year for yourself, where you could live the .com lifestyle? Are you sick and tired working 9 to 5, working for someone else? Don't you want to work for yourself? If the answer is yes, and you want that zeros to change into real Clickbank commissions, real affiliate commissions, then this is it. You can get access to this brand new Clickbank machine and change your life permanently. All right, so these are all the results you can see here. Testimonial after testimonial, people are making real Clickbank commissions, and you could see what you're going to get access to. These are the bonuses, by the way. All right, and one of the bonuses, which is priceless, is a one-on-one private coaching session with the guy who owns this product. All right, or with one of his closest hired team member. All right, the guy who owns this product, created the product, is making $20,000 every single month in affiliate commissions, okay? And he's spilling the beans, he's teaching you how he's doing it, and he's helping people make $10,000 plus per month online, all right? And guess what? Look at this. These are all the bonuses you're going to get when you access this product. Now, let me show you. I'm part of this product. I'm not some, like, just telling you to go ahead and activate this product. Let me show you what you get. First is module 1. Okay, you get all access to this, all right? Module 2, okay, check this out. Module 3, all this, right? Module 4, module 5, module 6, all right? Bing ads. This is all about Bing ads, all right? Then free traffic, SEO, then bonuses, etc., etc. It's a real product that's helping people change their life, okay? As you could see here, real testimonial of real people, okay? You could watch this video. The real testimonial is right below when you scroll down. So you could see here, okay? You could see this guy's made $401 in revenue in a single day. And this is not with Clickbank. This is with another network. That means this works with Clickbank and other networks too, okay? If I scroll down more, you could see what you're going to get access to. Module 1, what this is all about. Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, and then Module 6. And then there's more testimonials. Check this out. Clickbank results. And check this out. This guy's making money using this method. And then more Clickbank results and more affiliate commissions from other networks too. And then you're going to get special bonuses. You can activate this today and change your life permanently. If you're interested and you want to make real money in commissions, okay, and you want to change your life permanently, then click the links in the description box below this video or head over to this website address here, okay. Let me just show you. All right, so I'm gonna come here and you could go to this website address here, okay. Okay, wait a moment, not this. Okay, so go to this website address here. Oops. That's this website address, all right? When you go to this website, this is my link. If you go to this website address, all right, let me just open it as well. Copy this, open it in a new browser. All right, it's gonna open up this page for you, all right? And you will able to watch the video, see the testimonials, and then when you want to activate it, just click this green button, all right? Follow this green button and follow the process, all right? So that's how it is, all right? This is a real Clickbank machine that could potentially change your life. So let's dive back into our video. You want to build a real email list of buyers and subscribers. I'm going to share one of the traffic sources that I have used in the past, and I have basically purchased thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks, and you can start today. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. If you come to this website address, the traffic source is called Solo Monkey, all right? And let me just scroll down. Let me show you the packages. The best package, in my opinion, is buyer package. Buyer package means every person who clicks on your link, every subscriber who comes into your list is a buyer who purchased one internet marketing product. Okay, and that means you can potentially make more and more money from these buyers. All right, so that is the power of having a buyer package compared to tier 1 and gold package. Remember, if you can buy any package, the traffic source is very top-notch, high quality traffic, but I recommend going for the buyer package. And I also recommend, okay, if you are persistent and you have a never giving up attitude and you focus on one thing, my friend, and that is building your list. All right, continue to build your list, get to 500, then 1,000 subscribers, then 2,000, then 5,000, then 10,000. The bigger list you have, the more money potentially you can make. All right, and how do you build that list rapidly fast? Is continuously buying traffic. Not just buying 1 or 2 times and then waiting for another 3-4 months, then buying again. You're not building a business, you're wasting time. You need to continuously buy traffic after traffic after traffic and rapidly build your list. When you have a list of subscribers like 10,000, 20,000, you're going to see, when if you do everything the way it's supposed to be done, you're going to see money start to roll in like clockwork. Okay, my friend. So buy a package, okay? Buy a package. Just imagine you bought the 2,000 click package, all right? It's for $1,599, and you have a 40% opt-in rate. You have a good landing page and a 40% opt-in rate. You can get up to like 700, 800 subscribers in your first purchase, all right? Now imagine buying 2,000 clicks over and over and over and over again. All right. So first time you bought 2,000 clicks, then you bought straight away 2,000 clicks again, then 2,000 clicks again, then 2,000 clicks, and it continues to buy that. You're building a list of subscribers, of real buyers, up to like 700, 800 subscribers coming in for every purchase. And guess what? Within a very short weeks or months, you're going to get up to 10,000 subscribers rapidly fast, and you will able to blast emails out, promotional emails with real products, real services, and there you go. You can start to make real money online. This is how you do business. All right, you need to build that business mindset. First, never give up. Number two, focus on one thing. Number three, continue to build that list and continue to buy traffic over and over and over and over again, so you could build that list quickly and fast. Okay, so this is how it works, my friend. This is the traffic source. The traffic source, my links are going to be in the description box below this video. Go ahead, buy traffic. Go ahead, continue to buy traffic. But before you buy traffic, make sure you have two things in place. All right, three things actually. Number one is you have a good landing page. Okay, good landing page, because that all depends on the land. So split test two different landing pages. You can do this using a software called ClickFunnels. You could do it with other softwares as well. I do ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels. All right, if you want to join ClickFunnels, the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Number two, make sure you have email follow-ups. So you have at least about 14 email follow-ups, 7 for one product, 7 for the other product. If it's a high ticket product, then at least 14, 10 to 14 email follow-ups for one product, and good email follow-up that gives you good open rate. All right. Number three, make sure that you have a real good mindset, positive mindset. All right, and the results mostly will come from your email follow-ups, not from the immediate action they take from subscribing. Okay, so you need to have that mindset. Some people expect it, and remember, in the beginning you might lose a bit of money. Okay, so you bought 2,000 clicks, all right, and you just made half of that money. Don't worry, nothing to worry about. All right, because when you're continuously building that list and growing your list, potentially and eventually you're going to make all that money back. Okay, once you start sending out emails, start promoting different products and services, you're going to make all that email back. You just have to focus, continue to build that list, continue to keep on buying traffic, not just buy traffic for once, keep on buying traffic, and build that list and grow your list over and over and over again. Okay, so all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. All right, and go ahead, build that list. Okay, and go ahead, buy traffic, and when you buy traffic, you're going to build a list, and when you build a list, you're building a business. When you're building a business, that means you're going to be very soon, if you do everything the way it's supposed to be done, you should be making a lot of money. Okay, so that's all for now. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. And if you want to get access to that Clickbank machine that I just talked about, the link is here. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. If you can't find the link, you could go ahead and go to this link and watch the video, get more information, and then go ahead and activate your product. That's all for now. See you in the next video.